From the NBC 26 Precision Forecast Center, meteorologist Brian Goddard.
I'm meteorologist Brian Goddard. It has been a hot June, and now the beginning of July continues to be hot and humid as well. A lot of folks like it. Some folks not too happy with it, especially those without air conditioning. Now, this evening, we still have a chance for some rain shower activity, and for tomorrow, still a slight chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm in the afternoon. The severe weather will be moving off to the east of us, but it is going to be hot, it is going to be humid, and if you see any rain, it's just going to add to the humidity levels. And we will continue to be in the grips of this heat for most of the week. The next cold front comes in here during the day on Friday, and with that, possibly a few scattered showers late in the day into Friday night and into Saturday. Until then, status quo with the heat and the humidity. Lows this morning, 64 in Sturgeon Bay, also Green Bay and Oshkosh, 70 in Appleton for the warm spot, and Manitowoc at 63. Temperatures now 80s and 90s. The cool spot, 81 in Manitowoc, a little bit of a breeze coming right off the water. 94 in Oshkosh, 97 Wapaka. It's very hazy out there, and it's humid as well. Heat index getting close to 100 for most of the northeastern part of the state. Winds are relatively light, not providing any real relief, mixing up the atmosphere anywhere between 5 and 15 miles per hour, and it's dry. We are pretty much where we should be here in Green Bay, but abnormally dry up in the UP, and for the southern third of the state, in fact, now updated to a drought from basically Milwaukee down to Chicago, even though Chicago did get some rain showers late last week. The outlook for July, if you like the heat, you have some good news. More above normal conditions will continue, and we're expecting relatively dryness as well. July, August, and September for the next 90 days continues to be above normal, but getting back closer to normal for the northwestern part of the state and into Minnesota. So maybe we'll finally get some relief in here by the time we get to fall. But for those of you who love a hot, humid summer, looks like you're going to get what you wanted. Some clouds out there, a few scattered rain showers popping up here and there. The best chance of rain is back off to the west, but we'll still see a few pop-up showers yet this evening and up until around 10 o'clock, and then once again during the day tomorrow. The warm front is to the north of us. We are in the core of this heat wave. The bulk of the heat, though, is still down to the south of us, like 97 in St. Louis and very humid there. 96 Chicago, 95 out toward the Twin Cities. The dew points are in the 60s and 70s. That is tropical, so that's why it feels so steamy outside, and that is making it feel uncomfortable. And for the next couple of days, those dew points will be right around that 70-degree mark, which is the steamy air like you see down in Florida, and that will compound the heat, making it very uncomfortable and potentially even dangerous the next couple of days. Lows tonight will be dropping into the 70s. A couple of spots will be in the 60s along the lakefront. And then for tomorrow's high temperatures, 87 Sturgeon Bay. If you want some relief, that's the place to go, but it's still very humid. 94 Appleton, 95 Shawano, 96 Oshkosh, down to Fond du Lac. Heat index will be about 105 to 108 when you factor in that humidity. Remember, those temperatures are in the shade. The warm front has made its way through, hot and humid for the next couple of days. This cold front just going to lurk off to the west of us and not affect our weather until Friday evening with the chance of thunderstorms, and then a cooler weekend finally making its way into northeastern Wisconsin. Some scattered thunderstorms in central and western Wisconsin. May even see an isolated chance here in the afternoon. The best chance will be tomorrow evening. Tonight, 72 degrees. There's still that chance of a scattered storm up until around 10 o'clock, just very isolated. 93 degrees tomorrow, very humid, and a scattered late afternoon shower or thunderstorm popping up. Stacey, I hope you like the heat because it is getting warm. 91 on Wednesday, 92 on Thursday and Friday, and the weekend may have to find your sweater by Sunday. Temperature of 78.
Yeah, it's going to feel cool, isn't it? Tonight on NBC 26.